Imagine walking into a billiards hall anywhere in the world. The tables may differ in size, the players may differ in skills, the venue could be luxurious or a simple. But there is one thing you will always find on every professional table: that iconic green fabric. Most people see it every day but never stop to ask what it is, why it has always been there, and why the same fabric has remained the industry standard for centuries. That fabric, my friend, is the Baize fabric. A material so durable, so reliable, and yet very practical that it is not only trusted for all the gaming tables, but it also has industrial applications, furniture production, and even for sound insulation. Yet, despite its widespread use, Baize fabric remains one of the least talked about fabrics in the world. Today we are going to uncover everything you need to know about Baize fabric: its history, its manufacturing process, properties, its applications, different variations, and of course the environmental impact. By the end of this video, you will understand how and why this humble fabric has stood the test of times. So let's begin. So let's get the basics right. What is even Baize fabric? Baize is a tough woolen fabric known for its soft, fuzzy surface. If you have ever touched a billiards or a snooker table, you have already felt the Baize fabric. Unlike the smooth wool fabrics used in suits or coats, Baize has a raised surface that feels slightly rough yet cushioned. This unique texture is created through specialized finishing processes that lift the fibers from the fabric surface. The result is a material that reduces friction, absorbs impact, provides a consistent working surface. Today, manufacturers often blend wool with synthetic fibers like polyester to improve durability and also reduce costs. What makes Baize special is not its appearance but its performance. This is a fabric built to do a job, and it does exceptionally well, whether it's protecting surfaces, reducing noise, or simply providing the perfect level playing field for billiards. Baize fabric has delivered results decades after decades. The history of Baize fabric is actually very amazing. Baize has deep roots in Europe's textile history. Its story began in England during the late medieval period. At that time, Baize was valued as an affordable and durable woolen cloth. People used it for all sorts of practical purposes, such as lining garments, insulating interiors, and protecting surfaces. Unlike luxurious fashion fabrics, Baize wasn't really created for luxury. It was designed for functionality. As Europe entered the 18th and 19th century, Baize became increasingly popular in homes, workshops, and industrial settings. However, it found its most interesting application in gaming. Billiards and snooker tables required a surface that allowed controlled movement while maintaining consistency, and Baize fabric proved to be the right solution. Its fuzzy surface helped regulate ball speed and movement, creating more accurate and enjoyable playing experience. Over time, advances in textile manufacturing improved the fiber blending, finishing techniques, and even the dyeing processes. These innovations gave Baize the consistent quality and iconic green appearance that people recognize today. So how is Baize fabric made? The performance of Baize begins with a careful manufacturing process. Let's look at how it is made. The first step is fiber selection. Traditionally, Baize is made from wool. Wool fibers offer natural resilience, strength, and flexibility. These characters help create the dense and durable structure that Baize is known for. Wool also provides natural insulation and cushioning, making the fabric ideal for demanding applications. Modern manufacturers often blend wool with polyester and other synthetic fibers. These blends improve abrasion resistance, increase durability, and make production more cost effective. The choice of fibers directly affect the fabric's texture, lifespan, and overall performance. Weaving process. Unlike felt, which is a non-woven, Baize is created through weaving. Manufacturers typically use plain or twill weave construction. These weaving methods produce a stable and durable fabric base. A woven structure helps Baize maintain its shape even after years of heavy use. This stability is especially important for applications like gaming tables where surface consistency is critical. The weaving process creates the foundation that later finishing treatments will transform into familiar fuzzy surface. Last is the finishing techniques. The finishing stage is where Baize develops its distinctive character. First comes full filling. This process intentionally shrinks the fabric, causing the fibers to lock in more tightly. Fulling increases density, durability, and thickness. Next comes raising and brushing. Specialized equipments lift the fibers from the surface, creating the soft nap that gives Baize its signature textile. The fabric is then sheared to create an even surface, and finally it's dyed. While green color remains the choice of color most famous due to its association with gaming tables, Baize can also be produced in other color variations as well. These finishing processes transform a basic woven textile into a high performance fabric. Properties and characteristics of Baize fabric. So what exactly makes Baize unique? Let's explore its key properties. Baize fabric is soft yet has a functional texture. What this means is that Baize feels soft, slightly fuzzy thanks to its raised surface. This texture provides cushioning and controlled friction. Next characteristic is exceptional durability. Baize is designed to withstand continuous use. Its dense construction helps resist wear and tear over long periods of time. Next, we have excellent insulation. The thick structure traps air, helping retain warmth and reduce sound transmission. This makes Baize fabric extremely useful for thermal and acoustic insulation. Moisture absorbency. Wool-based Baize can absorb moisture without feeling wet or losing its shape. This contributes to stable performance in changing environment. Next, we have shape stability. Because it's woven rather than knitted, Baize maintains its form exceptionally well. It resists stretching, deforming even under demanding conditions. These characteristics make Baize a trusted material in applications where consistency matters. So let's look at applications of Baize fabric. Baize may not appear on fashion runways, but it has an important role to play in many industries. The first and obvious application for Baize fabric is gaming tables. This is the application most people recognize. Billiards and snooker tables rely on Baize to create a smooth yet a controlling playing surface. The fabric allows the ball to roll accurately while maintaining consistent speed. Without Baize, professional gameplay would be significantly affected. Next is furniture protection. Baize is frequently used beneath decorative objects, furniture components, and delicate items. Its cushioning effect helps reduce scratches, dents, and surface damage. Industrial application. Factories and workshops use Baize to protect machinery, work surfaces, and sensitive equipment. Its durability makes it suitable for demanding environments. Acoustic applications. Thanks to its dense and fuzzy structure, Baize absorbs sound and reduces echo. This makes it useful in certain acoustic treatments and sound dampening applications. Decorative and craft use. Modern Baize is also used in craft, display boards, exhibition setups, and even interior design projects. It adds a unique texture, visual interest while maintaining practicality. Now let's look at different types of Baize fabric. Not all Baize fabrics are identical. There are different variations that serve different purposes. The wool Baize. It's the traditional version known for its durability, insulation, and natural performance. Commonly used on gaming tables and premium applications. Blended Baize. Combines wool with synthetic fibers such as polyester. Offers enhanced durability and definitely a lot lower production costs. This is popular in commercial and industrial settings. Colored Baize. While green color remains the popular choice for Baize fabric, modern dyeing technologies allow Baize to be produced in numerous colors for decorative as well as specialized applications. Heavyweight Baize. Designed for high impact environments requiring maximum protection and durability. Lightweight Baize. Used for crafts, display purposes, decorative projects where flexibility is more important than heavy duty performance. Each variation provides unique advantage depending upon the intended application. So these are all the things that you need to know about Baize fabric, but you also need to consider the environmental impact. As sustainability becomes increasingly important, many people wonder how Baize affects the environment. The answer largely depends on its fiber content. Traditional wool Baize has several environmental advantages. Wool is renewable, biodegradable, and most importantly, it's naturally sourced. At the end of its life cycle, wool can decompose under suitable conditions. However, wool production requires significant resources including land, water, and energy. Livestock farming contributes to greenhouse gas emissions as well. Synthetic blends introduce additional considerations. Polyester-based fibers improve durability but are derived from petroleum and are not biodegradable. They also contribute to the microplastic pollution that we already have, and it is increasing every single day. On the positive side, Baize is an extremely durable fabric. Its long lifespan reduces the need for frequent replacement, helping minimize waste. Today, many manufacturers are exploring sustainable solutions such as responsibly sourced wool, recycled synthetic fiber, environmentally friendly dyeing process. These innovations are helping make Baize more sustainable while preserving its performance benefits. So to conclude, Baize may not be the most glamorous fabric in the textile world, but it is undoubtedly one of the most reliable ones. For centuries, Baize fabric has provided durability, protection, insulation, and consistent performance across a wide range of applications. From billiard halls to workshops to furniture protection and even sound insulation, Baize continues to prove its value. Its combination of strength, functionality, and longevity explains why it remains relevant even in today's rapidly evolving textile world. At Hula Global, we believe understanding fabrics is the first step towards creating a better product and smarter sourcing initiatives. If you enjoyed this deep dive in Baize fabric, subscribe to this channel for more textile guides, fabric insights, and sourcing knowledge from Hula Global. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.